So hello ladies and gentlemen, I will show you how to open a demo account by GBE brokers. So we go here in the browser to our RMP trading /en/website, and when you scroll down in the landing page, you get open a demo account by GBE brokers. Then click to open the account. You will also find this link in download and installation. When you click the link, you will get to the open account page. Please fill up first name, last name, email address, put in password, currency of your account, euros I recommend, and then the country code, your phone number. I have read the terms and conditions, and the answer here 2 + 2 in this case is 4, and then click register. So you will get an email to confirm, and you can log in. When you logged in, you don't have a lot of features here, but what you can do is you can download the MT4, what you are need, the MetaTrader 4. Please not MetaTrader 5, we need the 4. So download it, and also quote your account number and this password. You can find it when you click on this I. So this is what you need. So then when you have your setup run as admin, say yes, and then go to settings, and you can use the standard, but I don't recommend it. I recommend to put here MetaTrader / and then demo account 1. And you have to copy this demo account 1 and also put it here like that. So take out this, open, and then next. So when you finish installing, then the MetaTrader starts. And you have to introduce your account information. Here, GBE Brokers Demo, this is already right. Then you say an existing account, your account number, in my case 648 177, and your password, which is in my copy here. Say finish. And then it has to connect to the account. You will see it here. So now I'm logged into my demo account. Then I close here these windows, symbols, I want to have off all the symbols here. Forex all turn off. Why are these here?
My dad maybe will touch this.
Wait, I'm filming. Now the film is fucked off. Oh my God. It hanged off my whole system. What happened? Oh my God. And play close. Super. So we don't need all these symbols. What we need is few languages. I switch here to English. You start. So I will turn off all the symbols. Hide, 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 hide. So now that we turned off all the symbols, we will look for the indices, the German, US Tech, and here Dow Jones. You can put I always put here German, Dow Jones, US Tech. And what I do now is go to Tools, Options, Trade, one-click trading, activate. Then allow automatic trading and allow DLLs. And charts, show trade levels off. And here 5,000 and 5,000. Okay. Now auto trading is activated. And we can turn off now the MetaTrader, because we have to install our so we go to downloads. We have to install the Rmp Suite. We go to downloads, click to download Rmp and save file. Yeah. When we have the file, we get the setup Rmp, run as administrator, select the language, in this case English is right, and then we have to look for this account where we want to install it. I have a lot of accounts, maybe you only have one. We will find in the list of all the accounts, we will find a new one here. Demo account 1, this is it. So we say next and install. Finish. So now this is our MetaTrader. We will start it again. And now when you look here to expert advisors, we have that ones we need here. Yeah. And when we want to start trading, we open a chart window. Then we pull our RMP inside. Okay. And this is the basic, yeah? And we can start the program. When it is in German, you go here in adjustments, inputs, and you change here language selection to English language. Okay. Now you can save it. Here also this template you can save. Here is set RMP to make it really basic at the moment. Yeah. And then the next time when you load it, you have the English setting. Okay. And now you can say start program and it will trade. So folks, this was the basic installation. It will work fine. So folks, this was the basic installation from opening the account, installing MetaTrader 4, get it from the broker, and install the Rmp Suite. And when you start it the first time like I did, you may introduce a valid email to make it working for 5 days. In these 5 days, I will make a contact with you. And when you answer my email, you can get a 30 days free club membership in our trading club. This was it, dear Uwe. Until the next video, and enjoy.